Chinese Boeing jet crashes in mountains with 132 on board, no sign of survivors. A China Eastern Airlines Boeing 737-800 with 132 people on board crashed in mountains in southern China on Monday after a sudden plunge from cruising altitude at about the time when it would normally start to descend ahead of its landing. Media said there were no signs of survivors on the domestic flight. Investigators will be scouring the wreckage and flight recorders for factors that could have caused the plane to plummet vertically and slam into the mountains at high speed. Survivor, survivor, plunge, plunge, descend, descend, scour, scour, wreckage, wreckage.